Well, today I'm going to whip up a peppercorn sauce. And to try that peppercorn sauce, we're going to have some kind of meat cracker to get in our mouth. So this is why we've got this cool scene right here, this awesome torch. What we're going to start out with is this here Denver steak. It's a new one for me. Boy, it looks good with all that marbling. And it comes from Porter Road. Now it's 14-day dry age, which I think is the perfect amount of dry age. And with all the marbling here, you can tell it come from a happy cow. That cow was mighty happy until, well, you know when. Alrighty, seasoning wise, salt, pepper, garlic. And listen, no grill involved. We're going to sous vide it, get her vacuum sealed up. We're going to cook it at 125 degrees, or boil it, however you want to say, for about 2 hours. Now on to the sauce. Now, I'm going to give you the amounts of ingredients down in the description below because this was a test batch. And it wouldn't go along with what I'm saying. So, we're going to start out with some butter and some bacon grease. You got to have that lubrication for the shallots. We've talked about that before. That's just like a baby onion. While you're browning that up for about 3 minutes or till it gets translucent, bust you up some peppercorns and add you some garlic in that mix for about a minute. And then your peppercorns. Once you get that combined, we're going to add in some Worcestershire sauce and some beef broth. Give her a little twirl until boiling. And then, to tie it all together, you've got your heavy cream. A little salt to taste. Just stir around while she's simmering for about 8 to 10 minutes, or until she coats the back of the spoon, or when you go to stir it, it leaves a little spoon trail on the bottom of your pan. That's it. It's been 2 hours. Get this here meat out. Dry her off real good because they do not hold a sear if you don't. Get out your sous vide gun that you're going to order by going to the link below. Get you a little discount. Helps me out a little bit. Torch her up. And there you have it. And there's no denying which way the grain runs in these babies. So that way, when you go to slice them, you'll know that across the grain is this way. Man, look at the color on those babies. That right there means you've got your man card in your back right pocket. All right, let's move on. Let's get that sauce on there. See how it tastes. And let me tell you, I don't think you need another steak sauce. This right here is mighty fine. And let me tell you, it goes on about anything. All your meats, mushrooms, potatoes, whatever you got, that's it. That's all for the video today. I'm going to clean up, get out of here, and I'll see you next week. Mojo is out. That was fast.